Hi guys, Mama Mita here, and today I have a video about traveling in my Prius, Princess Prius, and I am going all the way down from Seattle down to San Diego. Now I'm already in San Diego area, and so going down this way, or coming from Seattle down to San Diego, I used the Pilot gas stations to stay overnight, and they have been really, really nice. I mean, nice days, very quiet, very safe feeling and stuff. And it's just been a wonderful experience. My sister was the one who first got me into the Pilot gas stations and told me that, I was visiting her in Houston. And she said, well, you got to stay at the Pilot. And I'm like, what's the Pilot? But, she gave me her little Pilot card and said, you need to stay at the Pilot. You'll like the Pilot. They've got great deals there with gas and stuff. And I'm like, okay. So, I've been doing that, staying at the Pilot and stuff. I'm looking for one of those little cards, but to let you see that you can get enrolled in their rewards program, and you get benefits by that. I mean, like I get my coffee and my hot tea and stuff like that free, and then for me, I feel like this is a bonus because staying at these really nice Pilots, have been really great. Now, when I got down to San Diego, that's a little different. It's not like up in the Northwest, the Pacific Northwest, coming down to California and stuff, but when you got down towards Los Angeles, when I got right before, about 50 miles before Los Angeles, yeah, things seem to really change really fast. I mean, it's everywhere, guys. We know the homeless is everywhere, but now this has gotten a little, rough. So, getting back to the Pilot. Now, these Pilots around this area are only allowing you a 2-hour parking, and that's it. So, and today, this Pilot I'm at, I'm going to get my 2 hours in, but let's just say it's so packed. I think FedEx and UPS owns the place. It's very hard to find a parking place. In fact, it's so hard to find a parking place, I am not kidding you. I am parked in the very, very back next to the cardboard crusher. I'm okay with the cardboard crusher. It doesn't bother me. And then the people coming in and out the back door of the Pilot, bringing out their trash and trying to sort it all. That's fine with me. No problem with that. But I just want you to know that you need to prepare yourself. So make a plan of where you're staying, for the night, and make sure that you get there early enough, because when it comes about 8:30, 9 o'clock at night, and comes the check-in time, and they all come rolling in at these Pilots, and they clean their parking place. And so some of these Pilots, the ones like the 2-hour parking thing, you're just going to have to go on down the road somewhere else, because even the TA and the Pilot, all the big truck travel centers are not allowing more than 2 hours down here in San Diego. I guess the homeless thing has really wore them thin. Yeah, I understand that. That's fine. No problem. I'm sure that Planet Fitness has got the same issue too, because Sunday morning Planet Fitness looked like it had a concert out in the parking lot. I'm not kidding you. And they had brought their dogs. So I had my boots on before I went into Planet Fitness to get, my war paint on, get my shower and get my makeup all on everything. But I had to really be careful where I stepped. It was pretty rough. But anyway, make a plan and try to get there early enough to make sure that they are allowing more than 2-hour parking, because some of them are not doing that at all. And of course, Walmart pretty much is gone, because, that's been gone for over a year now. But anyway, I would say do that. The other thing is, if you're coming to San Diego, you want to start buying your groceries at the grocery store and saving your reward points, because you're going to need them. I'm not joking, guys. You're going to need them. It started out, I can get the gas, in Washington State for $3 or something, $3.99, then throw the Freddy's points down, and I got it down even lower. $1 off the gallon of gas, which is pretty good. Well, like I said, the bottom kind of fell out when I got near Los Angeles and into San Diego. my last fill up, it said 509. I'm like, oh my goodness sakes. Good thing I'm driving a Prius and it barely takes over 8 gallons of gas for the fill up the tank. Oh my goodness sakes. That's expensive. 509. So what I did is, you know, I have my my team, my gas team at home that I'm not kidding. My daughter, she preaches about Fred Meyer. She's always knows all the things that she can save money on. So she says, "Whoa, wait a minute! You know, we got reward points here. So instead of paying $5.09, and because I got paying cash for the gas, I got it down to $3.59." But the service station gas guy, he thought that was funny, but he says, prepare yourself, because there is some places it's over $6. I'm like, I knew I should have took the Amtrak and brought my Brompton bike with me. Oh my goodness. I've never seen gas that expensive before. Can you imagine what these big trucks are doing? Oh my gosh, that's really a lot of money. Okay, well, I just wanted to run that by you guys and be prepared. Pack your points because you're going to need them. You're definitely going to need them. So I'm ready to do my lunch, and my lunch today is just going to be a sandwich with some avocado slices and a package of tuna. You know, those little Sun-Kissed things that you get at Fred Meyer for $1. And then you get your avocado, so you slice that and put that on the bread with a little bit of mayonnaise if you want it. In this case, I don't even maybe put mayonnaise. I don't put nothing, but I could put mayonnaise or, you know, vinegar and salt and a little bit of oil, you know, not much salt in my case, but anyway. And that will be lunch with the pear and a glass or a cup of peppermint tea, courtesy of Pilot. Thank you, Pilot. So you guys, if you enjoyed my video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, you really should, because I don't know, I'm going all the way to Nova Scotia, and then from Nova Scotia back to Seattle. This is going to be a trip. And I'm pretty much planning to sleep in the Princess Prius. She's a good girl. No, really, she is. I mean, like, I got climate control in this car. When it's 34 degrees outside and you look out the little side window and you see ice formed up on your neighbor's van and stuff, and they're warming up the car, you feel sorry for them, really, because I don't think they have climate control. God bless them, you know. I mean, sometimes it's rough, you know, but I've got my climate control, and I use my lazy leg so that I can lay in the back of the bed and push it up to start the car. So I don't have to stretch my leg out too much. You wouldn't want a leg cramp at 67, not in a Prius. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like, please, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you much, you guys. Have a great day. Bye now.